Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Jeep Renegade in a sport trim and powered by a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and with 4x4 capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. Net compartments for your stuff with more storage capacity underneath, so that's always nice too. And then looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at only 23,543 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through things such as a digital speedometer, vehicle info such as your tire pressures and service information and gauges. And then you can also look at your fuel economy, your trip 1 and 2 information, or A and B, your audio controls, messages, and screen setup in general, as well as settings for some features around your vehicle. Do have your audio controls on the back side of the steering wheel there, as you can see. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, auxiliary, and maybe USB, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. But then moving down from that, you have your hazards, your climate controls, pretty simple, just on 3 dials. Then below that, you have your 4-wheel drive lock, as well as your other drive modes, such as auto, snow, sand, and mud. And then you have your USB and auxiliary here, so you can plug something into power charge or hook up your audio, as well as having 12-volt power outlet right there, and a little cubby there. And one of the more important things about this vehicle is the 6-speed manual transmission, so if you're looking for a vehicle to learn on, or if that's your preferred way of driving, certainly an excellent choice. And then you have your parking brake, very important as well, traction control shutoff, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is relatively spacious inside. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.